We guide you through how to get back archived stories on Instagram so you can view, repost, or save your old stories anytime. First thing you need to do is open the Instagram app on your phone and go to your profile. Tap the three lines menu in the top right corner, then select Archive. By default, Instagram opens your stories archive where all previously posted stories are stored automatically. Scroll through the list and tap the story you want to recover. From here, tap Share if you want to repost it to your story, or tap Highlight to add it permanently to your profile. You can also tap the three dots menu to save the story to your phone or delete it if you no longer need it. This archive is private and only visible to you, making it easiest way to recover and manage your past Instagram stories without using any third-party apps. So that's it.